Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Apex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Coros application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. After you open the application, you should see the progress page. Now you can tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on the profile page you should see your Apex Pro on the list of my devices. Tap on it to select it. On this page, scroll down, find the option called Remove and tap on it, and then tap on Remove to confirm. Watch will disappear from the list of devices. It will reset itself to the factory default settings. Now you can close the app. Open the settings on your phone. In settings, find the option called connected devices and tap on it. And here you should see the list of devices connected to your watch via, or rather to your phone via Bluetooth. And if you see the Coros Apex Pro on the list right here, tap on it, or rather on the settings icon next to it, and then tap on forget, and then tap on forget again to confirm. But as you can see on my phone, it's not here. So if it's not here, you can simply close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.